Hi, and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, we're going to do a free training episode. Today, we're going to be testing out an offer that I wanted to actually test out personally on Bing ads. But I wanted to show you a method of how you can actually research on a specific offer and find some ideas on your ad, maybe a landing page. And we're going to be using nothing but free tools to do that. But we're going to be expanding on that towards the end. But right now, I want you to focus on what I'm about to do right now. This is very valuable. If you follow my steps, you could see results yourself. This is not because it's free, it's not valuable. It's really valuable. It's things that I go about and test out so I can see some results. And from these results, sometimes I build courses, sometimes I build softwares. So let me just log into my Clickbank account so I can show you what I would do once I'm signed in, how to find an offer, how to research on that offer, how to build on that offer. So I'm going to go into Marketplace and I'm going to find a new offer to promote. Okay, but this time I'm going to try something different, that not from the usual top 10. I'm going to scroll. I already know what the offer is, and this is Pro Stream. Now the reason why I'm looking at this is because I know there's an older crowd lurking on Bing ads, and it would be great if I could get that older crowd to focus on their problem, which could be something to do with prostate or something like that. So this is what this is, and we have the links we're able to promote, and I'm gonna just put Bing ads just so I know it's gonna be, if something converts, it's gonna be from there, and I'm gonna choose the short VSL one, and I'm going to keep this link somewhere here, so on the side, so I can use it when I'm about to create my campaign. But before I create my campaign, I'm going to take that link, I'm going to look at the sales page. Okay, so I'm going to click on the link, I'm going to check the sales page. This is the sales page, and then what I can do from here is I want to see the final URL, which is this right here. This is what I'm looking for. I'm going to copy that. And what I'm going to do is go to SimilarWeb. Okay. And then I can even sign in for free, or you can just use the SimilarWeb as you would see it. I'm signed in and it's a free account. But if you go to SimilarWeb.com, you'll be able to actually come in without actually signed in, where you can just put that into the search bar. And if it pulls it out, then it means that it's got some data on this. Now, not all websites will provide you with this information. Some of these offers on Clickbank are new, some are the older, and the ones that are older usually have a lot of data. Now, the great thing about this is that you can see a lot of information that could interest us. Now, if I wanted to go out and run ads, where would I run ads to? Well, obviously, I would choose United States. Canada is the next possibility. I didn't even think Brazil would be interested in this, or Israel. So these could be places that I could take advantage of maybe and try out and send traffic to. Now, if I wanted to look at more, I'm going to have to pay some money, but I don't need to do that. So then I can see that, this is on desktop usually. Direct, focused on direct traffic. Display, you've got all these information that you can get. Then you can see the top referring sites, which is pretty interesting because this is telling me that 50% is on native ads. The people run ads on LockerDome. So maybe you should go and create an account on LockerDome and start sending traffic from there, because it seems like it's converting. We can see that from search, it's only organic, but it's great because we know that the organic keyword used is Pro Stream. So if you build some kind of content around a blog post or around this, and you use the name Pro Stream everywhere, then you probably get found at some point once you're ranking. But we can also see that the top paid 5 keywords are these right here, okay, which is pretty interesting. Let's scroll down and see what other information. Now we can see that there's display advertising happening. What's great is that we can see the top ad networks is Clickbank. And now from these sites right here, you might be able to find something that could be valuable. These are the publishers that are creating ads. And these, for them to create a display ad, is either they take them to a direct linking or through their own page. So if I click on go to their website, I'm going to find one of these advertorial pages that I love so much. that I can replicate as well and use for my campaigns. Okay, so that's one. This is another, I don't know if it's, yep, this is another one where they have information on here about different products, and all these are basically, all these are Clickbank offers. Okay, and somebody built it on Weebly, which is a free website. Okay, but somebody's sending traffic to this and to the specific one, I guess. Anyway, you get the point. So this person just created this website and has all these offers here, where these take you over to their websites. Okay, so I'm looking at all these websites, getting some ideas on what I could be using. Until now, my favorite one is this one right here. Now, if you get some things like this, well, this is because these are hidden and you can't see from the what site this is, and also PayPal for some reason. But you get all the details here, and again, also visited websites. Let's see what this is. Can be site, and this is the site again. All right, and mail Yahoo, so somebody's sending email, competitors, blah blah blah. All right, so you get information. You can use this information to test out things. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build this, replicate what they did here with this site, and then start sending traffic to it. Now here's a template that I already have and I've already built in the past. So I'm just gonna be using GrooveFunnels to get the information that I want. So basically I'm gonna be save clicking, because you know what, I'm sending traffic to my links. So using somebody else's images might not be a good idea, whatever. It's up to you on how you use this. I don't suggest you copy and paste. You can create your own, but in my case, I'm just gonna do it real quick for the sake of this training. Okay, so I don't want to waste a lot of time, but I know that this is congruent with the offer that we've seen, and 15-second male bedtime ritual shrinks your prostate in just weeks, and they put 15 prostate in a matter of weeks. Okay, so it's basically the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste. Let me just space this a little bit. Just gonna find something that so it looks better. I'm gonna change the image. If they're sending traffic using other means, I'm gonna be sending traffic through other means as well. Now for the image, always now go and get that link that you got, your affiliate links, which is from here, remember. So I'm getting my affiliate links and I'm putting it into the image. So it's so when they click on it, this image, it will take them over to my offer. Okay, so good. And then I'm gonna also get the data from below. Okay. And that's about it, right? And in the watch now area, I'm just gonna click on configure, and I'm gonna put my links that I have from Clickbank on here. Okay, now basically this, I'm gonna have to put it on maybe a domain or use a subdomain for this. This is pro. I don't even know the name. Stream. And publish. Now, in order to find maybe a domain for this, I would look into maybe looking for prostate and click on search. Actually, this is expireddomains.net, and this is where I can find domains that are expired that might have traffic to it. So this will be I'll do prostate. Okay, so the beta prostate review, my prostateinfo.com. That's cost $8,000 for that. Imagine. Okay, the prostate consultant. It's got 544 backlinks to this. There's 13 deep links. I'm going to go ahead and pick the prostate solutions one. The reason why I'm choosing this is because on Alexa, it's ranked, so might as well pick it up. And I'm going to pick it up for real cheap. But you don't have to get a domain. You can get a subdomain or use whatever else you have. But I like to play it clean, and I'm going to go ahead and use this and get this link. Okay, it's not basically on really backlinks, but more of an Alexa thing. This is a new thing that I'm testing out anyways right now. Now that I've got the domain, I'm going to show you how we're going to be setting it up and with GrooveFunnels. Now, there's going to be a lot of you that are using my templates, and maybe this is a good practice for you to see how this works again. We're going to go inside the domain that you just purchased. So in order to connect it with our GrooveFunnels page builder that we built the page on, we're going to click on custom DNS. And on here, what we're going to do is come here back into our page. Okay, we're going to go to manage domains. So in order to connect everything, we're going to come here, add a domain. We're going to do a full domain subdomain setup. We're going to put the domain, which is prostatesolutions.com, that we just purchased. All right, we're going to copy the DNS information that we have there. Copy the top one and put it in the name server here. And then we're going to take the bottom one. I'm going to take it and add it in the name server here. We're going to click on the check. And then this is going to start propagating. It might take some time for it to connect to our thing. So once we've done that, we can validate the DNS records. It won't be ready yet, okay, because we just done it. So it required a little bit of time. By the time I come back, before I set up the domain, it should be ready, but I'll leave it for now because if I clicked on this, it'll give me an error. Okay, so we're waiting for it to propagate, and then once it's propagated, then I can basically come here and get this website going. Okay, so this is my website. This is where I'm sending traffic to. Somebody clicks on this, it will take them over to the offer. Okay, and the same thing with the watch now. Unless I didn't put link. Yeah, I did. Now, sometimes the pages, you need to prove some, sometimes like it's good to be ready in terms of providing references to scientific explanation, whatever, scientific proof or whatever. But always know that these types of offers do have these on their references, okay, which you can use because you're just directing them over. All right. So basically here we can actually copy this as references. Okay. So I'm going to copy these, and then I'm just basically going to create a new page with my page. Okay. where I'm going to have these as references. So I'm going to click a blank template, and then in this template, I'm going to go ahead and add a column. And a container in the column. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put like paragraph. And I'm going to paste. Okay, I'm going to do just paste them. Save. Okay, and then I'm going to name this references. Okay, I'm going to save this. Let me check the domains again. I want to see if it's ready. But before I do, let me just fix the below part. So in this area right here, I'm going to do references, hyperlink it to the page, which is anyway, the page of this one right here. So this one right here, if I publish it, I can get the current page, which is this one right here. Okay, and then go back to my page. Hyperlink it to that. Okay, save, publish. Same thing goes with the privacy and policies. You can go out and create your own with the privacy policy generator that you can find on Google, where you can add them on here. And I've done training on that in other videos, so you can get through that. I just don't want to go through the process. It's very easy. Just go to Google, and then to get the privacy policy, just put privacy policy generator. Okay, and then this is going to give you one where you can use. I usually use the privacy policy generator.info, which is this right here. You name it, create it, and then set it up. Okay, so let me check my domains if it's ready. Custom domains, click to verify, and it's ready. Okay, I'm going to choose the Groove Pages. All right, and we're good. Now I'm going to go to update, and then I'm going to go ahead and publish. Choose custom domain, prostatesolutions.com, put it on the root, and publish. And once I'm done with the publishing, I'm ready to start sending traffic to it. So we're going to go inside our Bing Ads account. So this is Microsoft Ads, and we're going to create a campaign. Okay, so we're going to create a new ads campaign. We're going to be sending traffic to that website that we just built. Okay, so it's just a one-pager, and I'm taking them over to this specific one. So let me get that going. We're going to name this the prostate one. We're going to do $20 a day, depending what you can afford. We're going to do United States only, because we know that the top location was actually United States from SimilarWeb when we found our information. We're going to uncheck this. Only people wanted in that targeted location, which is United States. We're going to scroll down and leave everything as is, English, etc. We're not going to put a website URL. We're just going to put prostate here. And then from the keywords, if you remember, we found that they were using some paid keywords here, prostate, stream, etc. Okay, so we'll use these for now. Okay, and let me press the stream. And then we can get some more keywords from this. So this would be prostate, prostate formula, health, support. Okay, these will be good to use as well. We can play around and see, you know, what we can stream. I don't know what these is. And we could use prostate supplements as well. These searched a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna use these. These are perfect. Maybe even the treatment one. Hold on. Okay, let me. That's a few. This could be a good one. I haven't even tried this, but it's got some good keywords. Very. And I can test these out for sure. Yeah, these all look good. They're all into my group. It's perfect, etc. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on save and go to next. And we need to create the ad. Now again, we can get some good ideas from scrolling down and seeing. Again, this is not all will have you get these information basically on this. I can see more if I'm inside. So let me log in my account. It's free to log in, so I'm not promoting something here. But when you log in, you get more data that could help you in your campaigns. So inside your account, your free account, you'll be able to do a web search. Let's do the process stream one. All right, and then from here, what's great is that it gives you a few display ads sometimes, okay, or top search ads that you can find, but it's just very limited, okay? So you can get some ideas, again, the ads, but then if you scroll a little bit more and we go to display ads, creatives, there's a place where it says creatives. Okay, so men take this every night will shrink your prostate size. Okay, so these are good ideas that I can use. So I'm going to move this to the right, and in my ad, I'm going to go ahead and put my link of my website that I created. Again, I'm using the free one. I didn't put the domain one just so you can see that it will work anyways. All right, so that's my final URL, which is my landing page, and then I'll just put like do this. I want to see if it was immediately. Okay, it won't. So enlarged prostate. Watch this. Okay, and then I'll put do this immediately. And then I'll put description, urologist. over 40 can't ignore these swollen prostate warning signs. Watch this video now. Okay, so I've just done that ad, and I'm going to scroll down, skip everything, click on save and go to next. And then in this case, I'm going to start small with 0.32 cents. And then I will up the bid if I see it's doing well, depending on the clicks and the impressions. Click on campaign targets, edit targets, and then let's go to age and gender. And obviously we want to decrease these age groups that I'm decreasing right now. I want people over 40. So let me do. Okay, so I'm gonna get people over 50 for this. I'm gonna decrease the females by 90. I'm gonna keep male. I'm gonna also decrease tablets, decrease smartphones, and keep desktop. Advanced campaign settings, we're gonna do from 8 in the morning till nighttime. Multimedia ad distribution, click on Bing, AOL, and Yahoo search. Click on save. Got it? All right, so I've set up my ad. Let's check it out. Okay, let's go to the ads so I know it's working fine. Perfect. It's very, I guess it's going to be interesting. I created it. Let's see what happens. Now we can expand on this. I've got a tool called Big Bang Profits. Just in case you don't know about it, I'm going to give you a little overview on what this is. Now, I created my ad on Bing, but if I wanted to see what other people are doing, then maybe I can use this method, my software, to find what's going on. So I'm going to give you a quick example of what I mean. Let's just put like prostate stream, I guess, prosta stream. Let's see if anything comes up with prosta stream. Okay, so this is okay, these are from other ads that are running right now. Okay, usually it looks like, you know, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do the branding. I want to target something else, but I'm just showing you, you know, what it is. So prostate health solution, maybe. Also maybe another one would be prostate, what was it that we had as a keyword? Enlarged prostate. So let me click on save and explore. Now this would be more tied into the article that we have. So if somebody's looking for ways for the large prostate, then remedies. Okay, this could be something I can use. This is another one that we can use. Use that one. Maybe even this. Maybe even this. Okay, so I'm getting really good stuff, and this is this is something that, look at this. Okay, so I just found another offer. Another person is doing the exact same thing that I'm doing right now. Okay, so it's somewhere on here. It's probably hiding the page, but you can see that it's the exact same thing. So I'm finding all these great ads that I can just basically go ahead and create a Bing ad by what do you call it? By it's getting information of the ads that I'm running on Bing right now, and it's pulling my information. Okay, so there's a prostate ad that I created before, and now what I'm gonna do is also get my final URL. Okay, and then I'm gonna just put it in there and create. And what is this doing? It's adding all these ads into my ads account. So look, I had one ad. Now if I refresh this, I didn't leave, I didn't pause this, I didn't go and create it myself. It actually pushed all these ads into my ads account. You see how powerful this is? All right, so I'm ready. Look at that. All these ads are ready. These are perfect for my ads. I'm going to move on to the Bing Suggest tool, and this is going to get the keywords from that specific ads that it pulled. It also pulls the keywords that these advertisers were using in their account. So I've got all these great keywords that I can be using that I probably didn't think of. Okay, I'm going to start with 0.32, and I can do exact and then throw them in there. Okay, so these are the exact ones. Oh, I forgot to put my final URL again. Okay, and then add. So I'm adding exact. All these have been added into my account. So if I go into the keywords of that specific ad, you're going to see all the keywords have been added. Okay, so I've got the exact, which is what people are looking for. All right, get more chances of me making this. Now I want to take it a little bit further. I can start tracking everything. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be tracking here is the page of my link. So I'm going to copy my link and of my page. Okay, and then I'm going to put like prostate solutions. I'll also put Clickbank. Well, right now it's not Clickbank. It is, but it's not, because right now I'm just doing it through my page. I'm tracking my page, but you could track from Clickbank, direct linking, and all that great stuff. I've created that for that. So I'm going to add that link. It's here, and what I'm going to do with this is I want to set my tracking URL, okay, into my campaigns for the prostate one. Okay, so what it's doing now, I'm going to be tracking. So when somebody clicks and purchases, I'll know which keyword made that purchase. Okay, I'm going to also add, so I know that this converted. Okay, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to add it into my page. This is a little bit more advanced. I'm going to put it in the body, save. Okay, this is just to track stuff with whoever is interacting with my links. So I'll know the clicks, the buying keywords, the keywords that are being tracking. So if I go into one of my ads, you're gonna see that the tracking is already in there. I don't even know how tracking works. I don't care. My software did it for me. So if I scroll down, you see that. Let me scroll. Hold on. You'll see in the area tracking template, this has been pushed in, and you can see it's getting information on the ad group, the ad ID, the keyword, the match type, everything. So when it converts, you'll know that which keyword converted for which ad or sale that you make. So you can also do for sales. All right. So it's all, inside my software, which is pretty powerful. So right now we're tracking every ad with one click of a button, and I'm good to go. I can even do split testing if I wanted to, where I can split test the ads that I have. I can create a new split test where I can run it for 24 hours, see which one is converting better, and remove the ones that are not. So this would be called the prostate one, okay? And select my campaign, refresh. I'm going to choose the prostate one, and then I can choose like the ads, and then the link, which is my prostate one, prostate solutions. And then, you know, you can choose one of these, like run for like 24 hours. And then the success, I want the click-through rate maybe, or the click CPC information, like on the, you know, which one is getting more clicks or conversions. Click-through rate, we'll do click-through rate, enabled, and save. So this is gonna, you know, and then I can do another one for clicks, I can do another one for impressions, conversions, and then it'll stop the ad that is not working in 24 hours, the one that's not converting for me, so I can, you know, get the winning ads. So this is my Bing Bang Profit software. This is how you would do expanding, scaling, and creating ads on Bing Ads. You can do the same thing for Google and everything like that. But what I've created here is my software that we've been running for 3+ years. It's something that works. It's brought people results. You can click the links below if you want this. Optionally, you saw everything, how to go out, how to research, how to create ads. But I show you a very easy way of finding more ads and getting more out of this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this free training, and please click the links below to subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Other than that, thank you, and I'll talk to you in the next video.